Forgive and learn, setting yourself free. When someone hurts us, it's natural to feel anger, disappointment, even betrayal. But holding on to the pain only keeps us stuck. Forgiveness isn't about saying what they did was okay. It's about choosing to set yourself free. To forgive is to release the burden, to allow healing to happen. And every time we forgive, we also learn. We learn more about ourselves, about others, and about the strength it takes to let go. Life is not about carrying bitterness, it's about turning lessons into wisdom. The hurt may shape us, but forgiveness allows us to grow beyond it. But forgiveness isn't the end, it's also about learning. Every experience, no matter how painful, teaches us something. Who to trust, how to set boundaries, and how strong we really are. So forgive, not because they always deserve it, but because you deserve peace and learn. So that you grow wiser, stronger, and better prepared for the journey ahead. So forgive when you can, learn from the pain, and let it guide you to become stronger, kinder, and wiser. Because forgiveness doesn't just change the other person, it changes you. Remember, forgive and learn. That's how you move forward in setting yourself free.